Hey everybody, in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to look at payout with TenTrades funded accounts. So before we get started, I just want you guys to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more amazing helpful content like this. With that all being said, let's get started with today's video. Hi guys, so first of all I'm just gonna open up my internet browser and go to tentrade.com. And then I'm gonna click on the three lines in the top right corner, click on trading, click on funded trader, and I'm just gonna wait for it to load. So once it has loaded, if I just scroll down, just gonna scroll a bit down and click on payout. Where it is, yeah, here. So for the standard payout for live accounts in the funded trader program is 70% of profits made within 15 days, provided no rules are broken. Accelerated payout funded traders are funded traders who receive 10% account increase can get immediate compensation irrespective of the weekly time frame if no rule is violated. For more information, you can read all of these by going to this link, tentrade.com/wp content/uploads, and go to this link and you can read all of this for more information. So yeah, once you hit all of these requirements, you can just go to your TenTrade account, go to payout and request a payout. So that's about it, guys. This is how you do it. If you found this video to be helpful, then thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video very soon. Peace.